guys? So I'm actually in my truck right now on the way to the tint shop. I'm going to get tint on my brand new 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. So I'm really excited because everywhere I go I feel like it's just not dark enough, and I'm really happy to get some dark tint because all the other cars I've had have been like legal, and this is gonna be like 15%. So I'm excited to see what the difference is, and I just wanted to do a little video, you know, inside, outside, so you guys can see the difference, and I'll tell you what I think afterward, all right? But yeah, so I'm gonna get on over there and catch up to you guys after. All right, so this is where we're starting. Pretty dark, but it's gonna get darker. It's got privacy tint on the rear, nothing on the front, and then just gonna put on 30 up front or rear and 15 front. So Coco, look at Aramis.
Hey buddy, what is that? Kiss the camera. Kiss the camera, Aramis. Kiss the camera. Kissy kissy.
Little M juice. Let's go look at the truck.
Alright.
Alright, so here's an update of the tint. As you can see, it's pretty tinted. I'll go over the details in a second, but you know, you're not really gonna see in there with this dark of tint. See, I mean, it's more transparent in person, but this is about perfect for what I want. Not limo tint, but also, you know, very hard to see. You gotta get really close. You know, it's not limo tint. It's only 15 in the front and 30 on the rear half, because it has a security or a privacy glass already. So yeah, that's an overall view of it. We just wiped down the truck too, but yeah, pretty nice little tent. Can't open anything for like 5 days. Yeah, it's really reflective, just what I wanted really. Got the strip up top, it's good for when the sun's coming down. Yeah, overall I'm really happy.